In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Notion. This integration can help streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and ensure that your projects are effortlessly managed across both platforms. Whether you're tracking project progress in Jira or organizing your notes and documentation in Notion, this integration will allow you to enhance your workflow and ensure all your data is synchronized. Let's dive right in. First, make sure that you're logged into both your Jira and Notion accounts. Once you're set in both applications, we'll begin by navigating to Notion. From the main page, look for the settings icon, typically found in the sidebar or at the top of your screen. Click on the settings icon, and this will open up the settings menu. In here, you'll find several options regarding how your Notion workspace is set up, allowing you to customize your experience further. For our purposes today, we're going to look for something called Connections. Click on the Connections option to proceed. The Connections page is where you'll be able to integrate various third-party apps with Notion. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Jira. Typing this will filter the connections to display anything related to Jira. Once your search query pops up, look for Jira in the results list and click on it to connect. It's crucial here to ensure you're selecting the correct Jira app that relates to your specific needs, especially if there are multiple options available. After clicking on Jira, you're prompted to connect. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will lead you through the steps to authorize the connection between Notion and Jira. You'll likely need to log into your Jira account again for this authorization process. It's essential to give all necessary permissions to ensure the integration functions smoothly. This means allowing Notion to access your Jira data, including projects, issues, and any relevant information that needs to be synced. Giving these permissions might sound daunting, but it's a standard procedure to facilitate communication between the apps. By integrating Notion with Jira, you're enabling features like automatic updates of project status on your Notion pages or easy access to Jira issues directly from Notion. This seamless data exchange can provide your team with real-time insights and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Once you've gone through these steps and the connection is successfully set up, you can return to Notion to start utilizing this powerful integration. Test it out by embedding Jira boards or pages into Notion and explore how the two systems work together. Remember, integrating these tools can vastly improve how you manage and organize the different facets of your projects. As you explore and make full use of this functionality, you'll find new ways to collaborate effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your